So please tell me, do you prefer to live in a house or in an apartment? Well, to answer this we have to compare and contrast the both. This is our topic today. Stay with us, cause at the end of this video we will be able to speak about almost every situation in our daily life. Welcome back to Talk to Mirror. Let's learn how to compare and contrast. So, first things first, the term compare and contrast means to discuss about similarities and differences of two or more things. To elaborate this concept, let's get back to our starting question. Do you prefer to live in a house or in an apartment? Now, write down the different features of house in one circle and the features of apartment in another. Between these circles, there are similarities of both. By the way, this diagram is called Venn diagram, which is designed to compare and contrast the things. An apartment is also called flat in UK. Now time to turn the picture into discussion. As dogs and cats both are animals, but are different species. Similarly, house and apartments are designed for accommodation. Both have rooms, kitchen, bathrooms, but there are many differences like house can be a single stand-alone building in the middle of a yard, whereas apartment is a part of a big structure. We can own a house easily, while apartments are on lease usually. If we talk about modification, then it's easy for the house, but for apartment, we need to take permission. House has more privacy than apartment. Apartment can have many common facilities like shops, pool, and gym, but in houses, we have to arrange all the things. Moreover, we have to pay all the bills and charges for the house, but in apartment there is a common billing and charging system for cooling, warming, water, power, etc. Apartments usually have small space, so they are ideal for single accommodation. On the other hand, houses have bigger space that makes them ideal for the families. Now tell us in comments about the shopping behavior of men and women. So we can discuss things with the help of compare and contrast. Now you can pause the video and answer the following questions to practice compare and contrast. Questions starting from: how is your new job? Is your city expensive from mine? Do you like letter or email? What changes happened in your area since last 5 years? Do you like to work from home or office? If you like this video, then give us a like and don't forget to press the bell icon while subscribing, because we will give lots of stuff like this. Thank you for watching.